Today it's not any sailing or motorboating. Today it is like a foiling workshop with my friend Jimmy. Jimmy has built his own foiling board with a total custom solution, and we will also test it out and see how it performs.
Startar vi från bryggan eller? Ja.
Det är ju så himla schysst.
Ja, det är väldigt snyggt.
Det har de ju missat. Det är som att man ska ut och resa.
One of the first try here in Rådasjön, Gothenburg, Swedish West Coast. I will start filming, flying the drone, and Jimmy will doing the first couple of tests himself. The power to the electric motor is controlled by a remote control that you hold in your hand. And the more you press, the more power the engine and propeller gets, and it's very sensitive with the throttle. And first couple of 100 tries, it's look like a epic fail video, but it's getting better and better when you learn the sensitivity of the throttle.
Alltså jag skulle vilja att brädan är 10 cm längre bak och 10 cm längre fram.
Nu tror jag du har helt rätt. Nu har den så mycket power så att den är helt overpowered.
Jag kan ju bara sticka ut som en raket.
The board is not a surfing board, it's actually a box that you can open up. So it's not streamlined for water, and it's pretty narrow as well, and very difficult to keep the balance before you can start foiling.
Ja, men precis.
Sen skulle man ju vilja göra throttle curve och så. Men du
Fast det vill man inte i normala fall med en throttle curve, vill man ju ha den.
After a while, Jimmy decided together with his friend Henrik to reprogram the controller to give the throttle a more smooth ride with throttle curves instead. And we pick up the board, open it up, and
Let's try.
start reprogramming in the harbor. Here you can see the board is open, the battery is in the transparent boxes, and Jimmy and Henrik is testing out the curve of the power and change it to be a more smooth ride is the plan. The electric motor has a max output of about 8000 watt, 8 kilowatt. After reprogram, you can see almost at once it's a bit easier to go, and after a while it's more or less just practice that is needed. Henrik is here testing out the foil, and it's going pretty well already first time. So when the board is lifted up of the water and the board is starting to foil, the speed increase a lot, and it's completely silence. Here is one of the last try of the day, and Jimmy is trying to stand on the board as well. Taking off, and it's not so easy. Last try of today. To be continued. Maybe I will join some more tryout with the electric foil board. And maybe it's just practice that is needed and the technology is there. Thanks Jimmy and Henrik, and see you next time.